YouTube. Hey guys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, I found a product online and it's a pretty awesome product, I think. And it's from a place called Crazy Dog Canvas in Queensland. And they make canvas products. And this is one of their canvas products. Now, I bought this out of my own money. They're not a sponsor or anything like that. So this is all legit. It seems to be made of really good quality canvas, and it's a tool roll. And is it the ultimate tool roll? Well, we're about to find out. I've got my old tool roll here and it's fallen apart and she's a bit emotional. So let's give this a go and see if I can get all the tools from my old tool roll into my new tool roll, and let's just see how much neater it could be. All right, let's have a look at this Crazy Dog Canvas tool roll. It's got a handle and it's doubly stitched. Oh, it's stitched pretty good there. Well, it looks like it is anyway. It looks pretty solid. So I'll open it up and have a look. Now it has Velcros thingy there. And I'll just open it up and have a good look. Now, I really haven't had a decent look at this myself, so we're sort of in for a bit of a surprise. We have 1, 2, 3, we have 4 clear pockets, and they're all with zips. They're not YKK zips, but they seem of a good quality. Oh, seems to work all right. And you've got little pockets. So the advantage of this one, I thought, was that when you unroll this, you've got all your tools in and you chuck it on the dirt, because that's what you normally do with your tool roll. You're not going to get dirt in all your tools because it's going to get dirty. They're all in the little pockets and you can unzip it and put your stuff in there, which is pretty good. It has these eyelet thingies here. Hopefully you see those, so you could hang your tool roll up. So yeah, that looks pretty good so far. The stitching seems of a really good quality. It did take a little while for it to get here in the post, but it got here in the end anyway. So we'll have a look at my old one. And it's a Roofy toolkit. It's an RV toolkit from Roofy, from 4-wheel drive action in the day. I can't even remember what I paid for it, but this is just a basic tool roll type thing, as you see. But that's not all my tools that are in there. See how all the dirt and muck gets in there? And you just got your stuff everywhere. So what we're going to do is see if we can get all this, and there's even some extra stuff in the drawer, into this. So let's give it a crack. It's going to be interesting. So let's get stuck in and see what happens. 10 minutes later. Now I had an audience member, she who must be a babe, said, "You're not going to get all your tools in there." And I said, "Don't know, let's see how we go." So I've got a large breaker bar there, which obviously won't fit into the bag itself because it's just too big, so that it'll just slide in there. That's never been in my other tool bag anyway. So let's just see how much stuff I actually did get into this bag. You'll be surprised. So we might just go this way, I think. Now, this is just my basic toolkit that I have in my car in the 4B, and it's got me out of the poo recently. So I got on my cable ties and tape and screwdrivers in the top section there, zipped up, nice and clean. I can see everything without opening the whole world up. Next one's all my sockets. And bars and things like that. It's all in there. Obviously, you're going to have to open it up and scrounge through there to find the exact socket size you want, but it's better than what it was. They're not loose in the bag. The next one is my big spanners and all the rest of it. Now, you think, you can get a decent shifter in that bag, no problems at all. So, give you an idea of that size shifter. That can go on the bag. A 24mm spanner, so it just gives you an idea of the size that can fit into these bags without any issues. And the bottom one is obviously, it's just the smaller spanners, your 9/16, 17mm, things like that. Just the little ones in the bottom. So that's stacked up pretty well in the tool roll, so it's pretty good. So how's it roll up? Well, this is just going to get slotted in. So let's see how she goes. Oh, we'll tuck the zips in so they look nice and neat, eh? Because I didn't buy the tool roll of it. But it looks good. Look, you can see everything. And it's clean, which is good. And you obviously those eyelets, so if you're strong enough, you can hang your tool roll on your eyelet. So let's just roll her up and have a look at how she goes. Obviously, it's the first time it's been rolled up. Well, actually, I lie. It's the second time because we did just a minute ago. Oh, so roll her up. And over onto the Velcro. Now this handle thing, you know, when I first got it, I thought it's in the wrong spot. It doesn't look right. But actually, he's a clever man, this bloke from Crazy Dog Campers, because it is in the right spot. So I didn't think it was in the right spot when I got it, because it's laid flat and it sort of sits on the front. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? It's all together. It fits into the drifter drawers I got here, nice and neat, plenty of room. So yeah, that's the Crazy Dog Canvas tool roll. Is it the ultimate tool roll? I'll let you know in a little while after I've used it a few more times. I'm quite impressed with the product itself. It's good quality canvas, as I said before. My other tool roll, which I'll get over here, it's lasted. It's been all right. You know, it's been in the wars and all the rest of it. But see, if you get your tool roll out, you open it up, and you get all the dirt and muck in there, and you fold it up, and you know, your tools are all grubby and dirty. They're going to get grubby and dirty anyway because you're using them. But you know, you just got more. You know, you got to look after your tools. Whereas this, well, those clear little bags. Well, that's the Crazy Dog tool roll. I'll let you know how we go with it in a couple of months' time. Once we get back out in the tracks again, we can get out of this lockdown thingy. All right, so if you've liked the video, don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video, and we'll catch you then. Bye for now.